are approved. Agenda item 5A is our first of two appointments. Our first one is for the Greater Lowndes Planning Commission. Ms. Diggs.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Good evening, Commissioners. The seat that is currently held by Mr. Tommy Willis expired on October the 25th. Mr. Willis has expressed a desire to continue to serve, and Mr. John McCall has also expressed a desire to serve.
Any questions for Ms. Diggs?
I make a motion we table this till next month.
Okay, so we'd like to table this then till next month. All right, can I get a second?
Second.
We have a second. All right, any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor signify by aye.
Aye.
Any opposed, like sign. Hearing none, it is unanimous that agenda item 5A would be tabled until the next meeting, the first meeting in December, or the only meeting we have in December. Correct?
Correct.
Okay. All right, now we'll move